What's up, everybody? Today I have a 2001 GMC Sierra. I'm gonna be trying out this Cerakote headlight restoration kit. It was when I searched restoration kit on Amazon, it was the first result. Decided to try it out. These headlights, a little before and after. Hey guys, so I am back. We went ahead and did most of it. So there's 3 steps. The first step is the oxidation remover, these wipes right here. Go ahead and wipe down the headlights. Second step would be to use this, and then the red sandpaper, which is right here, the 200 grit. Sand it down. Second step, still in the second step, P3000. Sand it down. Now we're in the final step. Now this is how they look right now. Here's the third step, the ceramic clear coating. Let's see what happens. It's going to be very satisfying to watch. All right. Well, can't do 2 things. Let's see. Put you guys down for a second. Here we are. These little bumps on the headlight. You can see right here. There we go. And these took in water. I didn't even know these had water in them. They were so fogged up before. There we go. That's how she looks. Move to the second headlight. Same thing here. This one took in water. Yeah. And that's it.